Hey everybody, well it's Scare Rookie and time for a quick update. So I took my spray glue and basically what I did was I just cut out, I measured how much material I was going to need as far as estimate, right? But you have to account for the divots that you're making here, down in bottom here, up the sides, whatever. So you have to make sure you have plenty of extra. So I basically took the overall measurements and added about 4 to 6 inches all the way around. Then I placed it pretty much generally in the middle and started from the middle out, started pushing the material down just to make sure that I had enough material, make cuts and slits in it to kind of relieve the pressure so you can get it straighter. And then actually this tool here, this is just a brake drum adjuster kit or wrench. It works extremely well for getting down in here and just kind of getting things set, pressing against the edges. It actually turned out really well as far as a tool. But got it all laid down, and then once I kind of had it set to where I thought I had sufficient material, kind of made my cuts, the slack, pressed everything down, knew I had enough material, had it all the way to the edges here. Then I took it and just rolled it back, pulling it out slowly, rolling it back to about right here. Sprayed all this area with a good thick coat of the glue, and then started pushing it back down, working my way this way out, okay? Then I took this area, rolled this back, same way, gently rolling it back, so I keep, where it is right now. When I roll it back, when I put it back down, it'll be in the same spot. So just take your time, roll it back, keep it where it needs to be. Again, another coat of the spray adhesive, and then started working my way from here out, then there out, and then there out, and trying to stretch it, making additional cuts to give slack as I needed so I could straighten it and pull it so I could get this pretty tight. I didn't want it perfectly tight because I do want it to look worn, but right now I'm just letting the adhesive stick, but it's all up to the sides, and then I'll take a razor blade and I'm just going to stretch and cut. And then I'll come back with some adhesive, put it down, and kind of maybe fold it and then glue it so it looks nice. But that's basically how it looks so far. And then I'll give you another update once I have this all trimmed out and pretty much good to go for the most part. I'll update you. All right, talk to you later.